Beginning this look off using the AlphaH. Now this is a multivitamin body serum. So I just thought I've spent the last 10 days in Fiji, very lucky, yes, great holiday, looking a little bit brown. I did try and put some sunscreen on, but I thought I just needed a bit of a moisture boost. Now for my face, I'm going in with the Youngblood Mineral Cosmetics. This is the Hydra-Luxe water cream. I love this. It contains hyaluronic acid and it's great to just lock that moisture in. This is the James Cosmetics. I love this little tool. So you've got to make sure that your fingers are right near that middle bit, and the middle bit on the front is touching underneath of your eye. And it actually vibrates a little bit as you do it. So it's sort of giving a bit of a massage at the same time. Now, I actually like to also place the sort of residual on my lips. Now, it's not for your lips, but I do find, and you'll notice straight away my lips look a little bit more even and plump. I actually think it's quite nice. So I'm going in with 2 shades of foundation, mainly because I have got a bit more of a tan and I just wanted to warm up the foundation that I normally use. So this is the liquid foundation by Youngblood Mineral Cosmetics, and this is Suntan and Golden Tan. So normally I'm Golden Tan, but I mixed a little bit of Suntan in this just to sort of give my face that bit more warmth. I just want a nice sort of natural, very light, medium to light coverage, light to medium coverage, sorry. Tonight I'm going out to a party. It's actually an 18th, so we know the family quite well, so it should be a really nice birthday party, and I just wanted to look fairly natural, and it's super hot here at the minute. So this is the St. Renais. So this is one of their lip and cheek tints. This is Castiglione, and this is the perfect shade for a bit of contouring. So as you can see, I'm contouring and shaping my face, also down my nose and over the eyes as well. So it's a real all-rounder product. Such an easy product if you're traveling to take with you. I absolutely love it. I'm using the BK Beauty brush. This is my foundation brush. These are some of my favorite brushes. This one is the 106, and I'm just buffing it into the skin exactly where I placed it, because I've placed it exactly where I want it. So I don't want to move it around too much. I just want to push it in and just buff it out. Now this is another BK Beauty brush. This one though is the 112. So it's a little bit more defined. It's got a slight angle, so perfect for the more detailed areas of this contouring. And I'm just really massaging or sort of rubbing that into my face, blending it in. Going in with the Mario. This is the Master Mattes palette by Makeup by Mario. And I'm using 2 shades in this, so I've mixed them together. I wanted just a nice warm contour shade to really help sort of sculpt the eye socket there and just bring out the eyes. I wanted to keep it matte as well, and just keep it nice and simple, because it is a summer look, and as I said earlier, it's very hot tonight, so I feel a lot of this may melt off. I should really do an after picture as well. I'm running some of those same shades just along the bottom lash line as well. Now coming in with the 2 lighter shades, one on the inner corner and just placing it over the middle of my eye there. And then I'm also going in with a slightly warmer shade just on the ball of my eye, just because I want to keep this nice and matte. But I should have done these 2 shades before that first one. So what I'm going to do is go back in with my nice little fluffy blending brush and just soften off those edges and really just sort of blend it through the crease, just to make it a little bit more seamless. So hindsight, should have done those lighter colors first, but you know, trust the process. It does work out in the end. There are more than one way to do your eye makeup. So just blending that through the crease. Now I'm using just eyeshadow. So this is a darker shade in that palette there, and I'm just using it as an eyeliner tonight. So no eyeliner, just eyeshadow as eyeliner. And I'm placing a small amount just underneath the lash line as well. Going in with the Prometics Mascara. This one is in black, and I'm just really giving it a nice coat on my lashes, and I'm tapping a little bit on the bottom lashes as well. I do another quick coat off camera too, because I need to get a little bit closer, and I find it's quite difficult for me to see in this light. I'm just using the MCO Beauty brow pencil here. This is the Fix and Set. So I'm just using a little bit of the set. So just filling in those brows, and then I'm going to use the other end of this wand, which is the spoolie, and this is the set, and this will just set those brows in place for the whole evening. Now, this is one of the Youngblood Creme blushes. This is the Vivid Luxe. This is called Bellini. So it's a gorgeous peachy shade, really lovely. It goes so well with these colors and really just helps to make the face pop and also the eyes pop. So I'm placing a little bit of that on my lips as well. Just wanted to keep my lips nice and natural. Now this is the contour. I'm using the Soleil. This is by Youngblood as well. It's a Mineral Radiance Defining Bronzer. And I'm just going over where I placed that lip and cheek tint earlier. Now going in with the Nectar. This is a pressed blush, and I'm just placing that all over the cream blush and up into the brow bone as well to really help lift up those eyes. Now, instead of concealer, I'm just using a little bit of the lighter shade of foundation that I used in the beginning, and I'm just patting that in under my eyes to really make it nice and natural. I don't want it heavy. As I said, very hot here. I just really feel that it's got to stay as light as possible. I'm going to set everything with a translucent powder. This is a Loose Mineral by Youngblood, using a more detailed brush for this one as well, and just setting it around my face, mouth and nose, and carving out those cheekbones as well, so you can see that it really helps with your contouring to just snatch the face in. So there we have it. I'm going to add just a touch of gloss by St. Renais and show you my outfit for the evening. It's a little halter neck top with a white skirt.